Hello, trading is closed on September 6, 2019. Apparently, my first video only lasted for 1 second. I didn't know that until people wrote me, so I'll just do it again. Uh, we're looking for a pattern on Friday with an early high. We got that. Monday's pattern also has the early high. The pattern usually is a rally day. We did rally into the final hour. Dropping at the end like this is not good. If we don't reverse it and promptly take out this high Monday, it should lead to lower prices. My last video had a mistake. I called this a buy signal. I was working all day, hurried to watch the football game, just made a mistake thanks to the person who pointed this out to me. We had buy signals in the afternoon. Those have played out. Have an ultimate sell signal from the morning, said this rally wouldn't stick. We got the retracement, but the ultimate signal should take us under this line. There's no time limit, but usually you don't have to wait long. Usually you get more than the minimum. Well, we said the count wasn't clear, but I now thought the current consolidation will hold as support. We said if we rally, which we did, there's a risk for a pullback, which has happened so far. Longer term, I now think this trend line is going to hold. I'm just not convinced this is the end of wave 2. It certainly could be ABC, but I don't think this structure is as clear as I would like. Doesn't mean I'm right. This could be an ABC, and then we could be off to the races in wave 3. But I think it would be a clearer picture on the daily chart if this were A and that were B, and we had a wave C down to make it a clearer 3-wave structure on the daily chart. Doesn't mean it has to happen. We are at resistance from this trend line right here. But if we keep going, then that was 2. And if we pull back, I still think these will hold. That's where we are now. So, Monday's pattern has an early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. Friday's pattern didn't close near the high. You either trade over that high early Monday or we drop. We have volatility indices scraping their lower Bollinger Bands. Reversing gives a sell signal. It basically means people aren't willing to pay much money for puts. The option players think we're going higher. These guys are almost always wrong. It's hard to count corrective wave. Round 2 is complete for me. I'd like to see one more clear drop on the daily chart, but that doesn't mean it's going to happen. If we don't take this out, don't take out these highs early, we should see lower prices. We don't rally into the close. It's usually a straight line drop, and we have the potential, but not the obligation, for a diamond on stilts, because here's your diamond and here's your stilt. It doesn't have to go to completion. But if we do drop, support's right at the origin of the left stilt, which is right here. So for Monday, if we don't take this high out early, I look for lower prices. There's a potential for a straight line drop. Doesn't mean it'll happen, but you should know before the open or at least shortly thereafter. And that's today's call.